If you've ever wished your WordPress or WooCommerce website could become a mobile app, something people can easily open right from their phone's home screen, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a super easy way to turn your existing website into an actual app without needing to write a single line of code. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started so you can give your visitors a smoother, more modern experience. Let's dive straight in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, the hub for everything on your website. If you haven't logged in before, just visit and sign in. Once you're in, look over on the left-hand side and find the Plugins section. Plugins are basically tools you can add to your site to unlock new features. Give Plugins a click and then select Add New. You're now at the WordPress plugin repository, which is kind of like an app store for your website. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click in there and type App My Site. Press Enter, and in a moment you'll see the App My Site plugin appear in the list. Now, for this method to work, it's important to choose App My Site. It's well known for letting you create mobile apps directly from your WordPress content. Once you found it, click the Install button. This might take a minute to download and set up in the background, nothing to worry about. After installation, that button will change to say Activate. Go ahead and click that. It's a quick extra step that tells WordPress to actually start using the plugin you've just installed. Now, as soon as you activate the plugin, you'll notice a new tab has popped up in your WordPress sidebar over on the left. It'll say App My Site. Go ahead, click on it. You're almost there. The App My Site dashboard will load, and toward the top you should see a button or link that says Get Started. Click that to begin. At this point, App My Site will ask if you want to start for free, which is great news, especially if you just want to try things out before spending any money. Click Start for free. Now you're inside the app creation wizard, and this is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to create a new app. Just select the option for WordPress app. This tells App My Site you want the app to be based on your website's content and structure, not something random or unrelated. Now you get to name your app. Think of something clear and memorable, since this is what people will see on their phones. For example, if your website is Sunrise Bakery, you might just call it that so users can quickly recognize it. Type in the app name and next, paste your full website URL. Take a moment to double-check and make sure you copy the correct address, starting with HTTPS if your site uses it. This is critical because it's what App My Site will pull your content from. You're at the finish line now. Once you've filled in your app name and website URL, simply click Create App. That's it. You've just laid the groundwork for your own mobile app in just a few minutes. From here, you'll be able to customize and preview the app, but you've already taken the biggest leap by connecting your website and creating your app environment. And there you have it, a straightforward way to convert your WordPress or WooCommerce site into a ready-to-go mobile app, no complex coding required. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues, and I'll do my best to help. And if you want more simple, practical guides like this, be sure to subscribe for all our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy app building!